What's going on, guys? Taylor Garcia here with InsureYourGarage.com to discuss all things garage insurance. Today's video, I'm gonna go over the basics of what is garage insurance and maybe why your shop needs it or why maybe you don't. Garage insurance isn't an actual insurance term. There's no insurance called garage insurance. That's kind of a blanket term for all the different coverages that your garage is gonna need. So when it comes to garage insurance, most 99.9% of garages are gonna need some type of insurance, whether it's liability insurance, property insurance, commercial auto coverage, etc. So you wanna make sure if you have a shop at all, or you're a mobile detailer, or you do window tint, you do stereos, whatever it is, you need to make sure you have insurance. The term garage insurance just means that it's usually for garages. So the few different things that are within garage insurance is garage liability coverage. That's basically gonna cover you for slip and falls when people come into your shop, right? That's mainly the thing that you're gonna need it for. The other type is garage keepers. That's gonna be there to cover your customers' vehicles when they're in your care, custody, or control. So if your customers' cars get damaged while you have them, you have garage keepers to protect your customers' vehicles. You have commercial auto coverage, because when you're driving those customers' vehicles, you need to make sure you have auto coverage, because your personal auto isn't gonna cover your customer's vehicle when you're test driving it. So you have commercial auto coverage there. You're gonna have property insurance, right? You as a garage or you as a shop have a lot of tools that you've invested in, whether it's, toolboxes, power tools, whatever it is, machines, etc. All of that stuff needs to be insured in case there's a fire, theft, etc. So you want to make sure you have property coverage to protect your tools. So all of these types of coverages that a garage needs to protect your business is really important to have. That all falls under the umbrella of garage insurance. So when somebody says, hey, you need garage insurance, that term garage insurance isn't specifically a policy or a coverage. That's just like the umbrella of what all garages need. So here at Insure Your Garage, we're really excited because we've put together some really great programs for garages nationally. And we work with all sizes of garages, and we'll get you the garage liability, the garage keepers, the property, etc. If there's any questions when it comes to your garage insurance, please reach out to us today, because most of the time these insurance agents that are insuring your garage may know the coverages, right? But they may not know your industry and your business inside and out. And that's what we do. We understand what you do so we can make sure we're properly protecting it and getting you what you exactly need, not selling you more than what you need or not under insuring you. We want to make sure you have exactly what you need for where you're at.